my friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to share with you lose your weight super fast and burn belly fat inches with no diet and no exercise. This will make you drop belly fat inches in just 3 days. You will notice great results. But before we start out, my friends, if you're not already a subscriber to my Dark Secrets channel, then please hit the subscribe and turn on the bell icon to never miss any upcoming simple and natural effective remedies. And the first thing we'll need is 2 teaspoons of rose oil or Navratna kettle, and add it to a clean mixing bowl. And then, friends, we'll need to add 1/2 teaspoon of Vicks vaporub. And then we'll need to add 1/2 teaspoon of Vaseline. And friends, to get that remedy the best results, you can also add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And now mix all the ingredients very well. Once we mixed and combined all the ingredients, apply it on your belly fat or on any stubborn area that you want to burn the fat off, and drop the inches. Massage the area with it for 5 minutes and then leave it overnight. This is the best way to use that magical remedy. And you can also wrap the area with kitchen wrap, because this will get the area to sweat at night and will get you the best results ever. This magical remedy has been used by so many people around the world, and it gets magical results for everyone. So it's very effective, yet it's very safe to use. By using that remedy every night before you sleep, you will lose your weight super fast and you will drop the inches of the stubborn areas with no diet and no exercise. You can store the rest of the remedy for use later. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to never miss any upcoming simple and natural effective remedies. And also give this video a big like and share it with your family and friends. And I'll see you in my next video.